Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set up a ticket tool bot on Discord. First, what you want to do is open up your browser, then just search for ticket tool, and you will see this one, and just click on that. And now you will be redirected to the site, and just click on invite ticket tool, just like so. And it will prompt you to choose a server that you want to add the bot to. So I'm going to choose this server right here and click on authorize, just like so. You'll be prompted with a verification, so just click on that. As you can see, the bot has now been added. Next, what you want to do is go back to Discord. So let's see if the bot has been added. So as you can see, the bot has been added. Now what you want to do is go to server settings, go to roles, and make sure the ticket role is above other roles right here. So let's say I want to put that role there. Now what you want to do is create the role for where the role that will respond for the tickets. Let's just say mod or staff. It's up to you. So let's say I'm just gonna name it mod, color it anything. So let's say I want to color it like blue, just like so. Then you just click on save changes, and it's up to you if you want to add a image for a custom emoji. Of course, you could also turn this on, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Now click on back right here. Make sure that the ticket tool is above all that. Once you're done with that, so just also make sure that when you go back to server settings rules, make sure that the member or the mod is above the ticket tool, just like so. And click on save changes, and click on that particular role, go to permissions, and make sure that the clear permissions is blacked out. Means that every permission here is not turned on. Now let's just make a category here. So let's say this is for the support category, just like so. Support, and make it a private category, of course. So click on this one, click on next, and here you will add the members or roles that you want to access this particular category. So let's say I want this one. So members, just like so. And let's say I want this bot too. Now you just need to click on create category. There. Now click on this particular, click on add a category, go to permissions. For everyone, let's just open this, the permission for everyone. I am currently selecting everyone right here, and just turn on this read messages here, and click on save changes, then go back. Next is let's create a channel under the support category. So click on that, right click on create channel. Let's say tickets, just like so. Then just click on create channel. There. So after that, you want to go back to the website, and once you're there, just make sure that you're logged in and click on the particular server that you have added a ticket bot into. So click on manage, just like so, and make sure that you are on the panel configs page. Next, what you want to do, just click on create one right here, and let's name it support. Then click on create, click on save. After that, you will see a bunch of options, so let's just go here on the general, click on that. So now let's add the role that we have added earlier. So it's the mod role, just like so. Click on save. Now what you want to do is just click on back right here, then click on category, click on the first bar right here, and click on the support, which is the category that we created. Click on save. Now click on back again. Once you're here, just click on messages, just like so. Click on edit panel message, or click on this embed editor, and here on the panel name, you could set it to default, or of course you could also change it. So for me, I'm going with the defaults right here. So if you want to just change anything, you could go with that, but for me, I'm good. So I'm just gonna click on back, just like so. Now you want to go to permissions here, click on permissions, Now what you want to do is click on edit open here on the ticket owner permissions. So click on edit open and make sure that the read message history is turned on. Now click on save, go back to panel configs. Now what you want to do is click on send. So it's currently set to general, and now you just need to click on the tickets or the one that we created earlier, then click on send. Once you're done with that, we can go back to Discord, and as you can see on the tickets, there's a create ticket option. If you click on that, it will of course create a ticket, and it will create another channel. Here's a ticket, and if you want to close it, just need to click on close. And are you sure you would like to close this ticket? Click on close again. You can see if you want to reopen it, you just need to click on open, but if you really want to delete it, just click on delete again. Now the ticket will be deleted in a few seconds. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.